I grew up convinced I would one day live in a home like these. But when we bought our first house, I found myself with a 1959 ranch style that had never been updated. And you could barely get to the front door. This is the story of how we made this house into our dream home. This is the room that sold the house for us. We were very excited to see an open floor plan with a direct view to the outdoors. Painting and pulling up carpet to reveal the hardwood beneath was very straightforward. The major project in the living room was installing a new window and set of French doors where there had previously been a heavy broken slider. The room used to end right here with that heavy broken slider. However, about 4 years after we moved in, we had it all pushed back to create a hallway to a new addition. Side note, when we did that addition, it created a perfect space for our giant fish tank. The fireplace was a mid-century eyesore in my opinion. It was faced with oddly shaped painted white bricks. Once I had procured all the materials, I was able to force my husband's hand and we got the job done in a timely manner.
All right, we are finally hitting the fireplace remodel just before Santa is due to come.
We're going to put some mortar up here, make it flat, and then we're going to tile it with slate so it matches the bathroom and be all pretty.
It'll be very nice. This is what we're currently dealing with, a bullnose situation, very difficult, but we are smoothing it out, and it's hot to the touch.
We forget that tiling is kind of a tedious and boring job.
Yeah, but oh, that's going to look nice.
I know. I've designed a mosaic. I'm sticking it up on the walls, and hopefully it will come out nicely. We're going to put the fireplace over here, do the rest of the wall, and have a happy Merry Christmas.
We installed the tiles and mosaics 2 days before Christmas, but it was ready for Christmas morning. We found this beautiful piece of raw edge lumber online. We purchased it, drilled some holes, and now it's our mantle. Here's the before and after. Opposite the fireplace was this very awkward space. To make the area feel more intentional, my husband built these shelves. They go from wall to wall and up to the ceiling. We use the built-ins for both books and to display our wedding china. We try to use our china somewhat regularly, so we like having it accessible. We inherited this 100-year-old plus desk. It's a double-sided secretary's desk, and I feel like it goes really well in this space. Pushing it up against the shelves allows us to have a little alcove for our private items and our charger, and moving this shelf up allows us to have a narrow place for our laptops. In keeping with homes of this vintage, our living room had no overhead lights. So we installed 8 dimmable can lights on 2 different switches. One switch controls 6 lights over the couch area. The other switch controls 2 lights over the desk area. This allows people to be doing different activities requiring different light in the same room. The strange dimensions of our living room have actually worked to our advantage. Because so many things can be done in this one space, the family tends to congregate and we spend more time together. Thank you for joining me today on Renovation Rewind. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you here next time.